I had a little can of pumpkin puree that was just staring me down. It kept calling out to me, "Jessica, make something with me."
Yeah.
Hi friends, it's Jessica. Today I'm making a pumpkin coffee crumb cake / muffins. Because coffee cake, good. Pumpkin, good. So naturally, they should go well together. This recipe has 3 parts. You've got the cake, you've got the streusel topping, and there's a super delicious maple icing. I'll leave the full recipe in the description box below, but for now, let's get baking. Part 1 is making the muffins. Start by whisking together all the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix the wetter ingredients: oil, brown and granulated sugar, pumpkin puree, eggs, and milk. Pour the wet mixture into the dry. Fold the batter until it comes together. Pour the batter into a greased muffin tin. Alternatively, you could totally make this in a loaf pan. Part 2, the crumb topping. Make the crumb topping by mixing flour, sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Use a fork to mix in melted butter. Be sure to leave some nice chunky bits. Spoon the topping onto the muffins. Start by baking your muffins for 5 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then drop the oven temperature to 350 degrees and bake for another 16 to 17 minutes. A toothpick to the center should come out clean. Cool for 10 minutes before icing. Making the icing. While your muffins are baking, you can put together a simple maple icing. Whisk together powdered sugar, maple syrup, and milk. Drizzle over warm muffins. Now, it's time to taste. The pumpkin flavor is subtle. The cake itself is not super sweet, so I definitely recommend doing the maple drizzle because that really ups up the sweetness factor. The pumpkin flavor is subtle. It's definitely not too sweet, so having the topping and the maple icing sugar, no problem. I really like it because it's super moist. The canola oil does a nice job of keeping it moist, and again, that extra moisture of the pumpkin puree also helps out. This would be perfect to have with a hot cup of coffee. If you like this video, be sure to like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video.